Hey guys, it's me Astrid. I'm having a work clothes kind of day because my sister's moving in with us. Hooray! And I'm about to make some Annie's shells and real aged cheddar because Annie's is delicious. I'm not sponsored by Annie's. I just want to tell you about all the good shit that life has to offer, right? Annie's, way better than Kraft Mac. But the thing that I want to tell you, the thing that is like crazy that this video is about is this inflorescence. This is from my Phalaenopsis Liu's Cute Angel, which I ordered from Norman's Orchids. Norman's got a great selection, and a lot of phals I think that are in department stores like in the US, a lot of them come from Norman's. So if you ever wanted to check an idea of a phal, you might find it on that website, orchids.com. But yes, I got this Liu's Cute Angel. I think that's the correct name, from there. And this one inflorescence that came off it, look at this. It has had like every single one of these nodes was a flower. It was nonstop blooming, and it was blooming so much that I worried about the plant's health. I didn't want it to take all the energy away from the plant, so I said I'm gonna cut it, especially because that orchid had another branched spike coming up. So I thought this long gawky one, it's gonna go, but I'll put it in a vase. Guys, I have to tell you, I put it in this vase like at this node. These were like the last 4 flowers on here, and this inflorescence has continued to flower and has continued to grow buds. Can you see this? This bud was green a few days ago. This bud wasn't doing anything, and now it's cracking and blooming. This spike, as you can see, is completely removed from the plant, and yet it is still blooming. And if you don't believe me, you can go to my Facebook page or Orchaholics Anonymous. I can't remember where I posted about it. I posted a picture of this like a while ago saying, this is crazy. This inflorescence is still growing and blooming, even being cut from the plant, forming new buds that weren't there. And now there's more. This is absolutely wild. You can even see it's been in my window, so it's grown and curved from this direction toward the light. I have it like this, and it's curved since I cut it. Guys, you see that? It's mad. I've never seen this. And I got comments from a few people on that post saying, oh yeah, you know, I've had an inflorescence that I cut off that kept blooming. I've even had one that put out a keiki. And to me, that's really incredible. Like, orchids never cease to surprise me. They never cease to amaze me, even if I'm, doing less with them these days. And here it is again, just blowing my mind. And it also goes to show you like how much energy must be stored in the inflorescence from the plant that this cut inflorescence can continue to produce buds. It also speaks to the strength of this particular cross. The Phal Liu's Cute Angel and the Phal Liu's Triprince are both some really nice, really well blooming, like good consistent blooming Phalaenopsis orchids. I highly recommend them. They're compact. They have these beautiful flowers. These are a little gone, but absolutely love them. And yeah, that's my crazy story for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Take care. Happy growing. Happy moving to me. I mean to my sister, but Okay, bye.